Hello friends, this is Adhika Vadari from Extra Core YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video, I'm going to show you what are the requirements you need to have before learning Python. So let's get started. So friends, first you have to install Python in your computer. So you have to go to python.org. Okay, this is the website from where you can download Python. Okay, from here you have to go to downloads. Okay, here you can see a pop-up window. So if you are using Windows, click on Windows. If you are using Mac, click on Mac. Or if you are using any other platform, you have to click other platforms. I'm using Windows here, so I will click on Windows. Okay. Now after clicking on Windows, you can see that there are different versions of Python, right? So you have to install any one version from here. But before installing it, you have to check for the note also. As you can see in the first note, it's written that Python 3.9.10 cannot be used on Windows 7 or earlier. That means if you are using Windows 7 or any earlier Windows such as Windows XP, 3.9.10 version of Python can't be used on that. Okay? So you have to check for the note, and if it is saying like 3.8.8 cannot be used on Windows XP or earlier, that means it can work on Windows 7. Okay, so you can install this version for Windows 7 also. Okay, so now the next thing is you have to get a platform such as VS Code. You can use PyCharm, or you can use Sublime Text. There are different types of text editors. I'm using VS Code. So from here you can download VS Code also. I won't show you how to download VS Code and Python because I have already installed it in my computer. So I can't install it again. Okay. So as you can see here it is for Windows 7, 8, 10, 11, and here it is for Mac. You can install it accordingly. Okay. So after installing VS Code, you will get something like this. And if you want to, you just have to import the folder. Okay. You can right click on the workspace and add folder or remove folder. Okay. You can do anything. Now, let me tell you how will you follow my tutorial. So, in my tutorial, the videos will be divided into chapters. Okay. So, in each chapter, there will be some exercises. I will upload the exercise, and in next video, I will tell the solution. So what you guys have to do, you have to do those exercises, and in next video, you can check for the solution. Okay, so that you can check your progress. So that's it for today's video. See you soon in my next video, guys. Thank you so much.